engine lights on the car. Anyways, let me get you in the garage to see what's going on there. One disaster at a time, right? Now that Jeep has a lifetime warranty. If I can fix it, I'll fix it, but I'm not sure what the problem is this time. She says the engine light's blinking, and here's the garage. And the whole plan is to get stuff out of here. See, the car does fit in here, and get it, in there. So we do have some straps here. These are ratchet strap. Which ones are these? Yeah, they're all ratchet straps. I thought I had an open container. But we'll just bring these out. Yeah, I get them when they're on sale at Harbor Freight. And they work pretty good. I like them for the price you get. Now, let me turn the light off. We do have solar, but the more power that goes to the battery, the better. So, anyways, that's what's going on. Yep. I'm blessed to have this day, Saturday, to do this, do stuff that, get stuff done around the house. It's kind of therapeutic. I normally listen to music, but I guess it's a big no-no with YouTube. So, anyways, look at those mountains. Let me zoom in on those. You see them? Anyways. So let's stretch this thing out and see what happens. So we'll get you guys a little bit closer. Let's see if our idea works. I got this thing a little backwards, I think. Let me try this. I'm not getting that. So that, I will get that. Okay. Bear with me, folks. I'm new at this. You know what? Now I do have it backwards. Let me turn this on. And amateur hour. Alright, there we go. I think that's the way it's supposed to be. Well, that's for that. Oh, okay, I get it. Alright. Again, I'm new at this, so bear with me. Alright. So, we'll review on these too. Hallmaster 4-pack of ratchet straps. You see? 400 work panels. It'll work fine for what we're using them for. But that's what they're here for, so you gotta use them. Bring out the trusty pocket knife. Leatherman had this for years. when using ratchet straps, you do this. I know it's elementary for some people, but some people don't know, and that's why we're doing this. It's education. You do this, put this in here, and then pull that. But now this is locked open. You got to pull this, and that gets it to where it's locking. These ratchets. And you pull this to unlock it and lock it in the open position, which makes this go freewheel. Makes that spin. See? It spins now. It doesn't spin. It's locked with those. So, see, that cam mechanism unlocks it. Pretty neat. Whoever invented these, pretty smart person. Anyways, let's see. Make my life a lot easier, at least I think. So, you go inside again. I'm getting texts. Let's see if it's a real estate deal. Oh, maybe somebody wanting to. Thanks for letting me know. I'll look into it. Appreciate it. And I appreciate you. My friend Aaron just let me know he thinks my Facebook was hacked. Thanks, I appreciate it. And I appreciate you. I'm going to give Mark a call. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take these off. You guys see what I'm doing here? They're preventing, I think it's preventing it from doing what it needs to do. Yeah, that's better. This one, yeah, we need to take that off too. It's not really doing much. In fact, it's actually preventing this from going up here. We want that there. So, we got that there. Now, I think it's better if these are on the outside. Not ideal for the straps, but at least you guys can see me, right? Put this up here. Keep it out of the mud and dirt and all that stuff. Remember those things I told you about? There they are. See? This works. Oops. Maybe not. Go. See, a little bit of thinking ahead. And then when you ratchet it, you go like this. You know, we should probably put the hook to the outside so it doesn't dig in. There you go. See? Sorry, I went off camera for a little bit, see if we're still taping here. There we are. Okay, so that looks better. See, it's taking all the stuff out of it. Just had to. Try to keep you guys in the frame there. I don't know if we need to do all of them. I think just every so many feet. Try to do it where there's a post. Yeah, that looks good. Don't need to do all of them. So let's address the corner. I'm not real happy with the way that's looking. Let's address this corner. You know, a lot of times it's trial and error, man. You just try to figure it out.